If you are a teacher, professor, or senior researcher who have multiple students working with him and want to organize their tasks, plan your lessons properly, and want to use AI to manage your daily workload, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to walk through some important free AI tools which are going to help you to manage your day-to-day tasks, to plan your lessons, and to keep all the things at one place. So I'm Dr. Rizwana, founder of Scientific Pakistan, and this video is specifically focusing on that how you can manage all your tasks by staying on the same interface, and how you can bring all of your workload at one platform, along with how you can use AI to manage your day-to-day tasks and to prepare your lessons. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and for these kind of updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel. The very first tool is Claude. You can press on its write feature and you will see so many built-in prompts which you can use to build your any kind of a document. At the moment we are practicing on to how you can prepare your lecture, and for that purpose we will go for its user document feature, and then it will ask some questions to you: a software product, an internal process, an API, something else. So we'll ask, prepare a 45-minute lecture on ionic liquids for the undergrad students, and then I will press this button. Then it will ask me what format would you: interactive, web doc, markdown, structure, outline. I can copy. For example, I'm going to go for the web doc. There is an option that you can upload your document or a book page or a PDFs from where you want to prepare your lecture. I uploaded source files just by uploading on this plus button, and I add files or photos. Then it will prepare an executive summary of the lecture. Then it will prepare some briefs for me, the visuals, what are ionic liquids, what are their properties, how we can synthesize them. These are some major application, and these are the references. Then I ask the tool to prepare PPT presentation, and tool work on it by adopting a step-by-step approach. Give me the headings for each presentation, each slide of the presentation, and then I can download it and I can see it. It's a very well designed presentation to present in class, and you can see this is the title page, then the headings for each slide, and what are the ionic liquids, brief history of the ionic liquid. You can see that how clear it is. Means it took hours and hours to prepare this kind of a presentation. If we prepare it manually and align the lecture in the form of a story, but with the help of a Claude AI, not only you can develop in the form of a story, you can develop very interactive visuals in the form of a presentation. And if I ask it convert this into a MS Word file, I can get a very in detail, briefly written, well formatted Word file, as you can see here, which I can use as a notes to give my class. And I can use this feature of Claude to format any kind of a document just by uploading a raw document, some images or data which I want to convert in the form of a well formatted document. And you can see that how beautifully Claude AI formatted it in the form of a very interactive document by keeping in view the same color theme, and the professionalism is on top. And even you can ask it to prepare lesson plan, and here you can mention the topic, and you can upload the source file from where you can visit for 3 classes on the topic of NMR spectroscopy, for 3 classes each for 45 minutes, and you will see a well formatted document again as you have seen before. And here you can see the lesson plan which Claude have prepared for you, and this is mind blowing. I mean, you can use this tool for the formatting of any kind of a document and for planning any kind of and it will give you a very comprehensive plan. As you can see, this is a 13 pages document which is covering all the details which you have to cover in your 3 lectures for 45 minutes each. The second tool is Notebook LM, and you can access all these tools from the links available in description, and Notebook LM is totally free. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough by opening the previous task which I have performed on it, the ionic liquid and overview. In this task I have uploaded some papers, and you can add source file by clicking this button, and here you can see this is an overview of the papers. I asked the tool what makes ionic liquids more environment friendly than traditional solvent, and it prepared a very detailed comprehensive answer, and all the information have been gathered from the source files which I have uploaded. Just by clicking on the paper I can go toward the source side. I can directly see the source file, and here as you can see I asked the tool write a 1000 word introduction for the research proposal from the uploaded paper. So you can chat and you can extract any kind of information you want from these papers. By keeping in this view, prepare the lesson plan for masterclass about the scope of the future research in ionic liquid. You can see the lesson plans for session 1, for session 2, for session 3. So this is the course summary. Then I ask it to prepare 10 MCQs based on this and 10 short questions. So these are the very in detail, very advanced short questions and MCQs and short questions which have been developed for your any class. Then I ask it to prepare a masterclass lecture for 45 45 minutes, and this is what we get. Not only this, this tool is going to help you to give audio overview, slide deck, video overview, mind map of that specific topics which have been uploaded in the file. So this is the audio overview, which is going to help to elaborate the topic.
Shows us what happens when that blueprint is actually
so you can use it to explain the concept in front of your class. And this is the quizzes which have been prepared from that specific topic, and these are 12 quizzes which you can share with your class, and means you can see the score right here as I click only one. So when your class will solve this, you will see the result in front of you. In the same way, this is the interactive presentation to explain this specific topic in front of your class.
Tax that we're all paying. The salt shaker, solid.
As you can see, this all presentations have been developed from the papers which have been uploaded. So in this way, you can prepare a very comprehensive, in detail video, audio presentation just by uploading any topic on Notebook LM. The third tool which I want to explore in front of you is the ClickUp. This is what you can use to manage all your day-to-day tasks, and these are the spaces. I can cover this specific tool in my detailed video if you are looking for an AI tool which helps you to manage your daily basis tasks, including your class lectures. You can click on the board view and you can see that these are the class lectures, and you can upload all the materials here or by attaching the file here, and you can change the status just by dragging and dropping the file in that specific status that either you have done with this, or you want to perform, or you want to deliver this lecture, and what else you want to do with this lecture. You just have to add more status here, and this will help you to. And this is the thesis writing. Here you can add the students who are working with you. For example, I'm going to write Huma, MPhil or PhD student. Then I will click on this task and I will upload all the details of the task here, and by anything which I want to write here, anything which I want to comment here, anything which I want to attach, and I want to link this with the Dropbox or Google Drive, and I can fetch all the documents here, and I can assign this task to any person who is working on that specific topic just by giving the permission of that space to that specific student by entering their email ID. So I can cover this tool. So in this way, you can manage all your day-to-day tasks on which you are working. Either that is your class material, either that is your meeting materials, your research materials, by using ClickUp app. And you can use it in free for a limited time, for a limited seats. And if you want to use it for a large group of people, then you have to go for its paid version. You can access all these tools from the links available in description. You can access all these tools from the links available in description, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further updates. And if you're looking for assistance in your research journey, or if you want to learn these tools in a customized sessions, you can access us through a website. Link is available below. I wish you all a very happy learning, and we'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.